You will notice the name of this lesson. It's the none keyword. And yeah, that's really, really important. None is a keyword. You see, this can be pretty confusing in Python. Let's take a look. To prove to you, first of all, that none is a keyword and not some type of a value like 0, watch this. If you go x is equal to none, notice it's highlighted in orange there, recognized as a keyword. So if we try and say x equals none plus 1, we're going to get an error. Yeah, and it says that there's an unsupported operand type, our little plus operator there, for none type and an integer. None is a key word. Now, we could say x is equal to none, and then we could perform like a test to see if x is equal to none, but that's the extent of it. And you might be wondering, okay, Anthony, well, why are you bringing this up here? Why is this coming up in our discussion of functions? Well, functions return none if there is nothing to return. Let's go ahead and prove that to you. So I'm going to go ahead and actually, I think I've got it open here. Yes, I do. Here is our fun little function that says, okay, we're going to take this value of n, and if n does not have a remainder, okay, so here's our modulus operator. So we're going to take our n and we're going to be dividing it by 2 and seeing if there is a remainder. So if there is, if this modulus calculation is equal to 0, we're going to return the value of true. So notice what we did. We're printing the results of this function if we give it the value of 2. What should that return? It should return the value of true. But what's going to happen when we ask for the value of 1, where we are not going to be equal to 0? Well, sure enough, if we print the result of this function, it's going to return the keyword none. Yeah, so none really is a keyword, and it is used to communicate that the function didn't return anything. So we're going to go ahead and run this and look at that. Sure enough, the responses are true, and then we get a response of none when the function truly has nothing to return to us. And that would be in this case right here. So none, yeah, it is a keyword. It might show up, as we've discussed, from the return of a function that has nothing to output to us. So now you know about this very interesting keyword inside of Python called none. Thanks for watching.